Greetings everyone. Today, I will try to answer some of your questions. First question, do PayPal refunds go back immediately? Refund timing can be affected by processes internal and external to PayPal's systems. Once your refund is authorized, you should see it returned to your debit credit card within 3 to 5 working days. However, your card provider's systems may delay the refund for an additional 5 working days. Second question, how long does it take for a PayPal refund to show in your balance? If the seller agrees to the refund, you'll receive your return differently depending on the original payment method. If you used a bank account or your PayPal balance, your refund can take 3 to 5 days. If you used a credit or debit card, refunds can take a bit longer, up to around 30 days. Third question, is it easy to get refund on PayPal? Contacting the seller is usually the best way to resolve a problem. You can find their contact details by going to your activity and selecting the payment. They may be able to issue a refund or help with a return. Otherwise, you can open a dispute within 180 days of the payment date. I hope I answered your questions, and I will see you later. Bye.